Hi guys, how's it going? It's been like 3 years since I uploaded, but I just wanted to get a voiceover of a video I recorded of my update on my Celica. I've actually got it out the paint shop for like a year now, so now I've just been putting it slowly together. I just wanted to give a walkthrough, slow, just close up of everything I've been doing. So re-zinced headlight brackets. My favorite part about restoration is like doing things like that. Getting all these old rusted parts, sending them off to zinc. Best feeling ever. These billet hinges, very, very, very nice. Adds a lot of rigidity to the hood when opening and closing it. I just saw like opening with one hand was a breeze. Just been so busy, so haven't been working on it often. Just got to tune it left, really. Add some fuel, tune the Weber 40s. Can't wait to hear how it sounds. The engine is just fully stock rebuilt. MSD ignition, OEM spliced harness. That's the only place I sticker bomb to. My overflow tank. Here's also my MSD solid state relay that powers my fuel pump and my gauges. I'm so deep into this car, but I love this car so much just because of the taillights. It looks like a Mustang, so that's what really honestly made me like this. Also like the whole Toyota lineup, Heritage. Look at these original vents. I love the patina on them. Most of my panels on the car are all original finish except for like my paint, and I love that patina it gives. A lot of rust repair on this side, so what I did was I took this all the way down to metal, and I found out on the passenger side, the right hand side quarter was replaced, and a lot of rust near the upper pillar and the hatch. Had to get 2 hatches to build one. Luckily, the place I went to allowed me to go every day, so I took my time to sand it to bare metal, block the whole car, cut out what was rusted, patch it. So I lost count of how many hours I've spent, but it was worth it. Don't know what motor I want to swap yet, but for now I'm just gonna put this thing around, learn how to tune it with the stock just motor and the harness. Ooh, here's a cool one, that carbon fiber battery tray made by a 4-member. Really cool. Air motive, fuel pressure regulator. Try to do everything. Things like this was so satisfying, like this. Thanks guys for watching. Hopefully I could finish up building this car, putting it around by the end of this year. I'm gonna try to get more videos out for you guys too.